Okay, today I'm gonna make simple chicken rice. Anyhow one. So what I do is I put in the chicken fats. Okay, next I'll just put in some fried onion oil. Okay, maybe just 1.5 teaspoons. A little bit of garlic oil. Some fresh garlic. A bit of ginger. Just fry to aromatic. Okay, what you can do is you can add in a little bit of chicken stock powder. Okay. Today I'm gonna do a bit crazy, so a bit of fried onions, just for the fragrance. Okay. After that, just pour in the rice. Okay, after you pour in the rice, you just mix it all up. It's okay to leave the chicken fats there. I mean, if you want, you can remove it. Okay, so I have 1.5 cups of rice here. So I'm just gonna measure and put the amount of water in. Okay, after you have put in the water, right? It's either you can immediately put the chicken in. Okay, I prefer the chicken to be cooked, so I'll put the chicken in now, and then you can actually cover it already. So after placing the chicken in there, you can just cover, and then wait for it to be cooked, and then it's ready. See you when it's ready, yeah? How can you actually tell whether it's cooked or not, or when to open the cover? Okay, now you can see that there is steam coming out from the pot. Right, once you see the steam has reduced, or probably to see much lesser steam, then you can actually open and have a look and see how it is. Then after that, you can cover it back and see, probably just reduce the heat and let it cook for a bit more, maybe another 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, now you can see that see the water has dried up, things like that. The chicken is cooked, right? So just cover it back. Okay, reduce the heat and let it cook for another maybe 5 minutes. All right. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can open it up. Have a look. Okay, if you just want to be sure, you can just scoop the sides, just to see whether any more moisture there. Okay, so this one is okay, right? So means it's done. Okay, so once it's done, you can actually off the fire. Okay, leave it in there, and it's ready. Actually ready to eat. But you can just leave it there for another few more minutes, and then start eating. You can take out the chicken, okay, and chop it up, and it's ready. And now you can see that the chicken is cooked, right? So you can see how moist it is, how juicy it is. Yummy. After you have chopped it all up, you can put it back in the pot. Okay, cover it, and eat when you're ready. Okay, so if you want to put it in the pot and eat it like that, you can actually serve it in a separate plate. Alright, pour some onion oil or garlic oil, and then with some soy sauce of your choice. Okay, then you can eat it, have it with your homemade chili sauce. Okay, so now you can actually fluff up the rice. Okay, and you can smell the fragrance, and you can see the rice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my meal now. Alright, see you again.